Since I mentioned this variant in my Toolcheck Plus One video review, I was extremely curious about this modular flavor called the Wera Toolcheck Modular 1 set. My main gripe with this at first glance is the price and the disproportionate ratio of plastic to actual tools. Nevertheless, I decided to buy it and remove all doubt. So as you can see, it's quite chunky when folded thanks to these plastic hinges. You can even fold it the opposite direction if desired. For a visual perspective, here is my favorite variant that resides in my tool pouch. This one basically covers all my needs. I will link the full video for it in the description as well. Now I hope you can see the plastic ratio situation I was trying to explain. Since we're here, let's explore the included tools. So with the modular set you get a bigger screwdriver called the 815/1 versus the 813 product code. But you get only 4 main sockets, the 7, 8, 10 and 13 in metric. They do an imperial variant as well. To access the main bits, just slide the top cover. The bit selection here covers the most popular formats and you get a standard bit extender instead of the rapid adapter. Now the ratchet has shrunk in size to fit inside any 1/4 inch screwdriver, basically their own 711L interpretation. Now onto the 4mm precision bit set. I really love the packaging design here. On the front, 12 bits surround the included precision screwdriver, which is very comfortable to use. Now there are further 8 more bits secured in this sliding tray at the back. Very nice. Lastly, you get 7 standard small Allen wrenches. As for the modular system, everything just slides off after you remove the top caps, but these are a bit tricky to remove without breaking them. Worth mentioning that you can buy all of these systems separately if you are interested in a certain kit, all of which are linked as well. Now this is a tricky conclusion for me. Is this full kit worth it? I would say no, since it's way overpriced. I mean, with 14 bucks you can get this 24-in-1 bit kit that basically gives you all the same functionality in one physical item. Because at 56 bucks just for this precision Wera kit, the iFixit Mako has the better value, not only in price but in number of tools as well. So yeah, I think you get my point. And don't even get me started on the plastic hinges. I'm sure they could have developed something a bit smaller yet functional. I mean, just look at this wiha Pro Body Evo 40. So yeah, the Wera modular kit is going back and I'm curious about your opinion as well on this one if you have it. Thank you for watching.